Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate. This is a 40 gauge wire. There's a couple 100,000 feet on each coil. There's two of them. They're in parallel with each other. Reed switch, 6 magnets that are like basically floating. And we got a 4500 microfarad 250 volt capacitor, just a dead, basically almost dead battery, and then a bug zapper circuit charging it. It's at 91.7, and that's the speed that it's been running at that voltage. But if I turn this on, you can see it increase slowly. I'll bump it up to about 100. So basically, the concept of what I'm doing here is showing how efficient high voltage, high resistant motors can be. And they do, there's actually some power behind this too, although these magnets are very, very strong. I think they have a 400-pound pull force between, or just acting on just one of them, just 400-pound pull force per magnet. Alright, so we're about 100, 106, I'll cut it there. So I'll kind of show you from a dead stop. It bumps it up pretty quick actually, and it's already back to the speed it was at before. It's still at 104. Like it barely uses anything. I don't have an amp meter, unfortunately. This does have one, but I burnt out the fuse for it. I don't know what it is. I burn out the fuses and I can never find the fuse for it. I have like 3 of these laying around. Can't find the fuse for them. I even looked on the website where I get a lot of my electronics from Moser Electronics. Couldn't even find it on there either. I don't know why. It's a tiny little thing. Yeah, and you can really feel it actually. That's not like a tiny little bit of power. There's quite a bit there actually. Surprisingly, for how much resistance there is in these coils. I could show you the resistance technically. I might. I just gotta disconnect the capacitor and hook it up to the leads. I can show you that though. Yeah. So yeah, that's the function. Pretty basic. And if I had, all 12 coils, I could make this even more efficient, but I don't. Alright, so now I will... A little scary to be playing around with that, actually, at this voltage. Fuck it. Do it for YouTube. Man, I don't like this. Nothing like being sketched out. Actually, what I could do is just disconnect this one. Alright. Now, don't let this touch any other. It's the negative. It should be fine. I'll put that around there. Now I'll switch this to ohms. I'm gonna have to go to them because it's very high. A lot of resistance in these coils. Have to. Also, another thing I should do is stop this, because otherwise it'll interfere with the resistance. How am I going to do this? Alright, let's click this. So, we got come on. Roughly 80 kilo ohms. It's quite a bit.